My name is Ian and I work for Valley Auto Electric. My industry is a good career choice because I have the opportunity to make good money doing what I enjoy, and I also have the potential for growth and education opportunities. I think someone would enjoy working here because we have a family atmosphere, we all treat each other with respect.
I'm Angie Sawyer and work for Valley Automotive Electric. I would definitely recommend someone to apply here at Valley Automotive. It's a wonderful working environment. The owners here truly care about their employees and their needs and their happiness, and go above and beyond for the training and make sure that they are doing the best that they can.
Annually we are sent to go get further training in our careers, and then we can use those educational tools to become better at our jobs, which in the end helps us make more money and be more confident in our abilities to serve our customers.
Less stress, it's a happier environment. I'm able to be with my family. We have weekends off, holidays to be able to spend with our family, so we're more happy here, which makes it easier for us to take care of our customers and make them happy. I feel like I'm able to build stronger relationships in this working environment that I'm at. I'm working with people who generally care about you.
I would absolutely recommend someone to apply and work here at Valley Automotive so they can become a part of the family and a part of the team.